Attention, men over 40. Do you know which of these foods can damage a man's equipment down there? Eggs, potatoes, beef, whole grains. What do each of these foods have in common? Well, if you're a man over 40, stop eating them ASAP, especially eggs. Why? Because Italian scientists just shattered the biggest myth ever in men's health. Eggs are great for increasing testosterone, right? Wrong. According to this latest study, eggs and the other foods mentioned earlier have now been linked to depriving men of their youth below the belt. And the reason is shocking. These foods contain a compound that disrupts the GI, which can lead to lower energy levels, slower recovery times, muscle and joint aches, poor sleep, poor mood, and yes, even problems south of the border. The good news is, U.S. scientists have just discovered a hidden organ that acts like a switch that restores these problems quickly and easily, regardless of what a man eats or how old a man is. This new breakthrough is safe, doesn't involve pills, injections, or expensive surgery, and can be done from home in as little as 20 seconds a day. That's all it takes. And the men who've successfully activated this hidden organ are experiencing a life they never dreamed possible. They've restored their mojos, their relationships. They found a new zest for life. And above all, they no longer have to worry that their partner is going to leave them for someone else. Click the button right now to discover how to activate this hidden organ. It was discovered by this man, top men's health expert, Dr. Lionel Shub, and in his 30-plus year career, he claims to have never seen something work as fast or as effectively as turning on this hidden organ. He claims it's saving more marriages than counseling, but is urging folks to discover it for themselves before Big Pharma steps in and cancels his video for good. Click the button right now to discover how to activate this hidden organ.